What's up, babes and baby dolls, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Ladies, if you're already been here, you already know I'm about to slay. In today's video, I will be installing this platinum blonde highlights wig from AlipearlHair. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start by doing is bleaching the knots on this wig. The unit that I have is a 13x4 lace front wig. It's 22 inches and I got a cap size small. And this wig is 180% density. So after I'm done applying the bleach, I set it to the side and let it sit for about 25 minutes, and I began doing my bald cap method. For my bald cap method, I always just like put my hair in a ponytail and put the cap on top of my ponytail in the back, because after I cut it, this still allows my cap to have a nice tight fit on my head. So this is the way I do my bald cap method. Y'all can do y'all braid downs. This is the way I do it. It's simple. I can take it off and just take my hair down with ease. So this is how I do my bald cap method. So my time was up for my bleaching, and it was about 3 minutes. I went on and rinsed it out, and this is what my frontal looks like. Perfect. It's not over bleached. It's not under bleached. It's like the right color. So I'm gonna begin plucking and customizing the wig and all of that stuff, and y'all will see the end result after. Now that I have this styled, I'm going to let it air dry. It is still damp. I don't want to put too much heat on it because I ain't want to flat iron it, but I'm going to let this air dry and I will be back to install it. Show y'all what it looks like. It is so pretty. So here I just applied my foundation shade to my bald cap and the inside of the lace just to make it look more like scalp. You don't want to have that white pale look. Like, apply some foundation to this stuff, girl. Like, make it blend. I'm doing here is I'm taking a white eyeliner pencil and I'm marking where I'm going to cut my lace to match where I'm cutting my ball cap, because I don't want to cut it wrong and not having blended. I want this to look like it is on my scalp. So we're going to trace this out just to get the perfect shape of the ball cap method. So when I glue it down, it looks natural. At this particular point, my hair was dry, so I began flat ironing it while it's off of my head, because I want to make sure that every section of this hair is straight. So now I'm going to begin the install process, but before I glue this down, I'm going to take my hot comb and make sure everything is nice and flat in the position that I want the wig to lay. Next, I'm going to take this wig dealer spray and I'm going to spray behind the hairline, because when you spray behind the hairline, I noticed that the spray runs forward. So I don't want it to be on my forehead, if that makes sense. My forehead. I don't want it to be on my forehead, so it's going to leak forward anyway. So I spray behind the hairline. Here I'm just going to begin cutting off the extra lace, and I'm going to cut out my ears and making sure everything is nice and secure. Now I'm just putting the finishing touches on my hair. I'm going to lay my baby hairs and flat iron the rest of my hair. And y'all, I did a smoky grayish like glam with this look because it really set it off. It's too cute. But after I'm done putting the touches on it, the hair and the look is going to be complete. So I'm going to let y'all finish watching. Okay, you guys, so this is the look after I've flat ironed the hair, installed it, and got it nice and laid. And we're gonna Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. Blonde highlights wig from AlipearlHair. This is 22 inches, 180% density that I am wearing. The wig is absolutely beautiful. Great quality hair. I love it, y'all. It turned out perfect. I love it. Again, the hair is from AlipearlHair. Definitely bomb. I will leave the link in my description box for you to purchase this exact same unit that I am wearing. If you like this look, please leave a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think of this wig and how it turned out. And Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next video, babes and baby dolls.